How to delete calendar event item on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the calendar app. Then open up a calendar event. So here I'm going to open up this calendar event right here. Next, we go down, then tap on the delete button, then tap on move to trash, and that's it. It is now stored in your trash. If you want, you can go into your trash and recover it. So here we got a calendar event that you can restore from the trash, and that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.